Hello, it's Tina here. We're going to make some tofu burgers with cashew nuts and peas. So the point of these is they're nice high protein for a vegetarian. What I'm doing here is cutting up some cashew nuts. It's about 50 grams for the recipe. So I've just done that with a knife. You can crush it with a rolling pin. And then I've got this is tinned peas here, or you can use frozen peas, or you can even use mushy peas to save you the bother of mashing. So I've just mashed them up with a fork. And I'd already, so the tofu was firm tofu, and I'd already grated it. So you can just drain the water out of tofu and grate it. And then I chopped some onions, so you can see a bowl of onions there. And just in the corner you can see the tofu, and in go the onions. Mix those in. This is a really simple recipe. You can also, with the cashew nuts, if you soak them in water, they go really soft, and then you drain them and you can whiz them up in a blender or something if you prefer a smoother texture. But I think it's quite nice to have the nutty bits in there. So that's the grated tofu going in there. I've had a lifetime of saying tofu, so I'm trying to say the proper word, tofu. And then the cashew nuts go in. And then we've got some green Thai curry paste in a sachet. This turned out to be really hot, so I would taste your green Thai curry paste before you put it in, because this was really spicy. It was yummy, but it might be too much for some people. So I think I put the whole sachet in, and it was just a little bit too much. But that goes in. And then when that's mixed in, what you need is corn flour, which helps to stick it together. So instead of using things like potato, which is lots of starch and lots of carbohydrate, you've got a mostly protein thing with what they call complex carbohydrates. So they're slower to digest and slower to absorb as sugars, so they don't give you blood sugar crashes. So just testing whether the oil's hot there, and shape it into little patties. Pop it in the frying pan, and you want a kind of medium heat. You want enough to make it sizzle when the burger goes in, and then you just cook it till it's brown on both sides, and there they are, and it's pretty tasty.